Okay, 9 to 8, power steering leak. I washed this down. This hose has been repaired, but if you can see, it's leaking from that connection right there. Yep, right there. So that'll have to be changed or repaired. And the AC, if you have a look here, the AC oil is coming out of the compressor. It's all dry on top, but it's actually coming out of the compressor housing. So that will have to be repaired or replaced. Then if we go to over here on the offside front wheel, moves the wheel for us, you can see the play in the bush. See the bush moving there. Okay, and if we just go to the rear here, it's complaining of cruise control dropping out or slowing down. If you have a look, the wiring up here, it's come out of its holder and it's rubbed through on the actual CV boot there. So if you have a look, the wiring is actually rubbed through. You can see there where it's been rubbing.